How are you, YouTube world? Uncle Tony here. Today is Carnival, and we are making a special lasagna for you guys. And we have everything is all ready to rock and roll. We got the pasta, the bolognese, the mozzarella, fresh ricotta, and grated cheese and basil. Ta-da! It's boiling, the oil's in, a little salt. We're gonna boil our lasagna. We love Ronzoni lasagna. It's the best. Of course, we gotta separate it. Look how nice. Beautiful. A little salt.
How much salt?
A little salt. A pinch. A pinch. What year were these made? Maybe they'll call us up and give us free pasta too. So 1915.
The year you were born.
Wow, mamma mia. While that is cooking, and through the magic of editing, we're gonna put our lasagna together. We're throwing the pasta. And of course, it's very important that you cool off the pasta. Ronzoni since 1915.
Uncle Tom, where are we putting this next layer?
We're gonna get another towel. Nice and clean, make sure no hair. And you're gonna dry that layer.
Ready for the next layer?
Yes, ma'am. Next layer. My two beautiful nieces, Kathleen Ray and Angela, are my shoe chefs.
Shoe chefs.
Ah! Finally, some help.
Yeah.
I feel like Indian village.
Nice and dry, look. Like it was just made it. Bitch. Because after this holiday, we're supposed to feast, or rather fast. Do I look like I have a fast? No! And now the dried pasta. We make two layers, because here in the Leone house, we like a lot of pasta. Mozzarella. I know she's zoomed in on me a little more. That's gonna be 4 rows of pasta. Like I said, we like a lot of pasta here in Southbrook and Red Hook. That's done. And this is the closing layer. That's good.
I got one more dry.
Yeah, one more. Angela, my sous chef, came back.
Shoosh.
Imagine.
It's a sous chef.
She probably needs something.
I do need something.
Grated cheese. Don't be afraid to use grated cheese. In the oven it goes. This lasagna is good enough for a little town. That'll be ready. The minute it boils all around and gets a little brown on top, it should be good. But the size of the lasagna I make and the size of the lasagna you make, 45 minutes it should be all together. For Carnival, we also make chicken and eggplant parmesan. And if you want to check out the recipes for these, just check out our previous videos. It's all on Yeti, whatever you need. Madonna!
Ooh, looks delish.
Oh my God, look at that lasagna.
Come on, get some lasagnas.
Look at that. Ah. We hope you enjoy it. Buon appetito, and we'll see you real soon.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.